In this video, we're going to complete several database calculations on the sales quota data worksheet. We're going to look for the maximum goal using the DMAX, the average goal using the DAVERAGE, and the total goal for Cass Lake using the DSUM. So let's get started. Select cell C3 and let's type in a criteria, and it's not case sensitive. Case Lake, press enter, and let's select cell C21, select your insert function, and you can just select your category, and here we're looking at database calculations, so I'm going to select database, and I'm looking for the maximum goal in for Cass Lake under the PLR financials. So here I'll look for DMAX, select OK. And my database represents from A6 to K19. I can either just select the database range, or I can just, in this instance, the range has been named list. Or I could just simply hit F3, bring up the dialog box for my range names, and just select list. So the field I'm analyzing is the goal. So here I just type goal. And the criteria I'm looking at falls under C2 to C3. Once I select OK, it tells me the maximum for Cass Lake under the goal column is 1,750,000. I could do the same for just to get the average of Cass Lake. So here again, same process. Insert function, I'm interested in DAVERAGE. Select OK. The database, again, you can select A6 to K19, but here I just type list, which represents the database. My field is goal. Another way to select a field, you can also select it by column. So this will represent column 1, column 2, column 3, and this could be column 4. But I'm just going to type the heading, which is goal, and the criteria again is my C2 to C3, Cass Lake. And it tells me the average between the numbers for Cass Lake is 1,250,000. You can also see that in your status bar. The average is the average is 1,250,000. I can do the same for DSUM, but rather than use the insert function, I'm just going to type it out. I can type equals DSUM. Tab 1, select my database, which is list. Tab 1, my field, I add a comma, and my field is goal. I put that in quotes because I'm not using the insert functions dialog box, so I'll put that in quotes. Put my comma, and my criteria is C2 to C3. Close my parentheses. I could have just tabbed. Hit enter. And it tells me my total goal was 3,750,000. Okay. So we'll move on to the next video where we'll look at using some logical functions.